part of herbal remedies as it can cure almost anything and everything. Aloe vera essential oil is used for a number of health problems, and this video is focused on its benefits and uses. Today's video discusses how to make aloe vera oil with benefits and uses. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Aloe vera essential oil, though is not a pure oil extract. Instead, the gel extract are mixed with a carrier oil to make essential oil. If you cannot find this oil anywhere in the store or online, you can make one at home. Recipe: heat method. To make aloe vera oil, you need half cup of fresh aloe vera gel and half cup coconut oil. Put aloe vera gel in a vessel and mash it properly using a fork or spoon until you see no lumps. Now add coconut oil to it and mix properly. Put the vessels on a double boiler and heat it on a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes with occasional stirring. Pour the aloe vera oil in a dark bottle and refrigerate it. Add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil to the above ingredients and mix well. No heat method. To make this aloe vera oil, take a fresh aloe vera leaf and wipe it clean. Cut the thorns on the both sides of the leaf and make it into very small pieces and blend the gel. Take aloe vera gel and store it in a dark bottle and top it with coconut oil or any other carrier oil till it fully immersed. Add a few drops of essential oils. Keep it in a cool, dark place for 2 months. Strain and your homemade aloe vera oil are ready. Benefits: aloe vera essential oil soothes the skin, hydrates it, nourishes it, and accelerates the regeneration of new skin tissues. Aloe vera essential oil is said to anti-aging since it is a rich source of nutrients like vitamin A, B, C, and E that nourishes your skin. Aloe vera essential oil has great hair benefits. It can prevent and treat dandruff, itchy scalp, make hair shiny, and also promote hair growth. Uses: softer lip. Mix 1 tablespoon of powdered rice with enough aloe vera oil to make a paste. Rub this homemade scrub on your lip gently for 5 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Use this lip scrub once a week. Hair growth. Gently massage aloe vera oil onto your scalp and leave it on overnight. Add a few drops of essential oil like lavender oil to your aloe vera oil and use it for hair growth. Anti-aging. To make this anti-aging mask, you need aloe vera oil and 1 tablespoon ground oatmeal. Take the oatmeal powder in a bowl, add half teaspoon water to it and mix with the powder. You will get a thick paste which is not easy to spread. Now add aloe vera oil little by little until you get a spreadable consistency. Apply this on your face and neck and wash up after 30 minutes. Have you ever known about the benefits of aloe vera oil? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.